Good morning, I am Miss Prieto. I am the Year 7 physics teacher, and the purpose of doing this eye dissection is because it's a powerful way to engage students in the life processes. Students will do this eye dissection to learn the parts of the eye, and I've chosen a pig's eye because it's very similar structurally and functionally to the human's eye. The students will be learning about the different parts of the eye by looking into it and exploring how the eye works, how the eye forms an image and the brain processes this information.
And this ring is the iris, and this is the retina.
One of the parts of the dissection was cutting in the middle of the cornea and the sclera, and then taking out the lens. So they had to examine the lens, and they used this lens to amplify letters in a newspaper. Thank you for watching.